What is up? It's Uncle Mad. There's Nephew P.
Hi.
We are on our last day of our short little vacation down here in Orlando, Florida. We took our last trip to the actual Walt Disney World parks yesterday. Don't know what's going on with my voice. But we had one more day. We had it kind of free. And we're kind of open to do whatever we wanted to do. And ultimately, it's been so hot. The ultimately best option was clearly do something cool to cool us down. We are going to Blizzard Beach Water Park.
Yes.
Blizzard Beach, as I recall, is a very cool place. I haven't been since maybe like 2004.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's almost been 20 years since I've been here, which is crazy to me that this thing's even been here 20 years because it seemed brand new the last few times I was here. So
I wasn't even born.
yeah, the last time I was here, Nephew P wasn't even born. So gonna have a fun day, keep cool, out of the heat, in the water. I don't have anything else to say in this part of the video. Didn't really want to bring my backpack because I don't know if we're gonna rent a locker or just like keep stuff by stuff. So I went in ghetto mode and brought just the Disney shopping bag. Dang, already ripped off the shirt and showing off the guns. Kind of funny the way it worked out that the only thing we rope drop this trip is Blizzard Beach. All right, well, since we have a Tyke with us today, we're gonna start out by hanging out over in Tyke's Peak, which I don't know if I've ever spent any time in, but we're gonna see what we got to go do over here. Go faster. Why are you getting stuck, you bum? Where'd he go? Don't go on the slide, dummy. All right, before you go again, give everybody an explanation of why you thought it was a good idea to stand up on a slippery slide.
I didn't.
I filmed it. It's going to be in the video. Everybody's going to see it. So how about this time we go all the way down the slide until the very bottom and then splash.
You want to go down the slide?
In Nephew P's defense, these slides do need like a little extra juice to them. Not really pushing the kids along that well. Oh, much better. Much better. You pulled it off without falling down that time.
I slid down on my stomach.
I saw. I was right here the whole time. All right, here we go. Gonna do the baby one. Wait till he got out of the way. Don't go yet. Don't want to crash into them. All right, you ready?
Set.
Go. Oh. Oh. You won. Ah. You won that round.
Can you hold them?
All right, after experiencing some of the Tyke's Peak attractions, we're on the first real attraction of the day, the Lazy River. Gotta find a float though. It's safe. You go first, let me know if it's safe. Looks dangerous in there. Here we go. I made it. All right, you lead the way. I don't know if it's gonna be safe in here or not. We have hit the mother lode.
This is the best.
This is the life. In air, if you're watching this, it's not too late.
Give it.
Get us the lazy river at the new Nashville SC Stadium.
You can take my phone.
I mean, John Ingram, if we don't have one of these at the stadium, what are we even doing? Let's just stay at Nissan if we're not going to build one of these. Actually, no. Disregard that. Don't stay at Nissan under any circumstances. I think I'm in trouble. Uh-oh. Right underneath it. Felt good though. Feels good. This is the life. I think we're just gonna do this all day.
I'm gonna go in this one. So, just chilling on these floats. They have. Just chilling at something called Something Beach Water Park. Let's go in the water.
All right, Lazy River was fun, but we can only be lazy for so long. I think we're gonna find something a little bit more adventurous to get into next.
I want to do that one.
Yes, I'm gonna show you this. Parker has picked out the next slide he wants to do. He's targeted this one, says he wants to give it a shot. So if he wants to do it, I guess we'll have to give it a shot. Oh! Woo! Whoa! Ah! Woo! Oh, I've been on a water slide forever. This is the best. Oh! Oh, Nephew P's coming behind me. I hope he likes this. 'Cause I could do these all day long. Whoa! Big turn. Oh! Here we go.
On that same one again.
All right, so we learned on that ride that I think Nephew P would ride that all day. But there's like 100 more slides here that we can do. A lot of fun to be had. And also, Uncle Matt needs a break.
I like that closed one.
The closed one was more fun. Uncle Matt can't quite walk up these stairs, especially having to carry 2 floats for this weak little bum here, the way 22, maybe 16-year-old Uncle Matt could back in the day. So Uncle Matt needs breaks throughout the day. We're as high as the Tower of Terror. See it over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're taller than it, so this is a bigger ride than that. Not gonna lie, could get used to this life. Wave pools, theme parks, water slides. It ain't bad. Up here on Mount Gushmore, we've got a view of Expedition Everest, Pandora, which we didn't get to experience, and of course, some incoming Florida storms. Whoa!
Oh, here we go.
Whoa! Okay, so we are officially in a weather delay. I was hoping we get to at least 2 or 3 o'clock before one of these rolled in, but 12:30. But we got a solid hour and a half in at least. We had a lot of fun so far, and we're gonna wait it out and hopefully it'll blow over and we can do some more stuff after. All right, since we're in a weather delay, this is as good a time as any for Nephew P to get his first ever taste of a Walt Disney World churro. So break yourself off a piece of that. Don't break a piece off. Why are you eating the whole thing like some kind of crazy savage? You are making a mess, you nut job.
I love it.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, now just gotta wait for the all clear to resume our fun Blizzard Beach day while we enjoy a churro. Somebody who works at a place that has a pool that has to shut down for weather. I can tell you this is probably the worst part of the day for cast members. I'm sure they're getting 100 questions from people that are like, oh, when's everything going to reopen? When's everything going to reopen? It's like, we don't control the weather. Oh, I used to work at Wave Country. We would just shut down for the day on days like today. That was the nice thing about just being a cheap little basic wave pool, is if it was going to be a storm, you should be like, nah, we ain't opening today. Disney, expensive parks, they got to push through. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Still raining. I think they call this the light at the end of the tunnel. Just need this to move a little bit closer to us. The rain continues, so we must have more snacks. Let's get a review on the fries.
They look good. I haven't tasted them yet.
Definitely looks like there's some good looking seasoning on there. Will note he is putting ketchup on his fries the way a psychopath would. Take note of that. People who are on team don't put it all over the fries. This is how he went. All right, let's get a bite.
It's good.
Good. Glad to hear it. Now, as you know, I am not a drinker, but trying to find ways to fill the gap in time we've got here, get some content for you people. So I found out they've got a Disney Water Park souvenir beer mug. It's I think $11.50 for your first beer, and then refills for $6.50. $6.50 is expensive still, but I mean compared to what you would normally pay at like a sporting event or in a theme park, it's not bad. So I'm not a drinker, but if you are, this is probably your best value for getting drinks throughout your day at the Disney Water Parks. What? Nephew P just said he drinks.
I know.
You want this beer? Because I'm not a drinker. I'm not going to drink it. Do you want it?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Who raised this boy? The rain has lightened up, so Nephew P has resorted to playing in the sand. Still in a general lightning delay, so not able to get back in the water yet. I assume Disney utilizes like a computerized lightning tracking system for distance from here to wherever the storm is. It's not like the when not out there as a soccer referee in the field. It's like you hear thunder, you got to close it down. Sometimes it's not as close as it sounds like it is. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer at least, because it seems like it's lightening up. Lightning. There's got to be a better way to say that. It seems like it's easing up because the rain's lightened up. The sun's poking his head out. Ray Baker. So hopefully the last little bit of the actual storm stuff gets out of the region, because I know, it's probably an 8 to 10 mile radius is probably the keynote. So we'll see. Credit where credit is due. Nephew P is so much better at keeping himself entertained in situations like this than I have been. He's been incredible while we had to wait in the lines and everything, and now in this weather delay to get into the pools and stuff. I'm so ADHD. When I was a kid, I would have lost my mind. I'd probably been laying on the ground crying, begging my parents to take me to somewhere where I didn't have to sit still and not do anything. Good job, Nephew P. I also kind of hate sand, so there's probably no chance that I'd be playing in the sand right now to keep myself busy. Once again, good job, Nephew P. Oh yeah, somebody made a big one. We got a big volcano somebody made over there. Nephew P had a good one going, and then he just smashed it for no good reason. But good news is it's still raining, but they have cleared the lightning and thunder warning, so all of the water activity is back open, so we can finally splash around and have some fun again.
Next side, so.
I'm gonna go on the slide.
Do it.
Are you going on again? I'll wait for you.
Wrong way. You got yelled at.
What?
The guy yelled at you. You tried to go down face first and he yelled at you. You had to go on your bottom. I saw it. You can't hide. Stop picking up trash, you trash person. So close. So close to making it all the way across. You gotta grab the net. Pull it down and keep hold of it. Use it like monkey bars. There you go. Whoa, you did it. You made it all the way across. You might not have done it the right way, but you did it as good as you could have. Was that fun?
You want to do one more time? Huh? Maybe we'll do that slide.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Bring it in close. There you go. Whoa! Nailed it. All right, this side's a little more difficult. Get the ropes. Get the rope. Oh, he's so short. Bless his heart. There you go. It's fine. Find your feet. Find your feet. You got it. Good job. Good save. Find the net. You got it. It's all right. Get your balance. Reach up. Find the net. You got it. Pull it down. Pull it down. There you go. Get yourself over to the next one. Oh, done! You killed it. You are officially the champion. All right, so I think our assessment on the day was that the Red Slope runoff rapids were the most fun thing we've done throughout the day. We've basically done everything but the biggest rides that Nephew P couldn't do. So we're gonna hit these a few more times and probably call it a day now that we're able to get back out there. Nephew P drank a frozen pina colada and now he is shivering cold. Do you want to go buy like a Columbia puffy jacket? No. It's a water park. Warm up, brother.
You done this already? You wait for that green light. Let's wait for the green. And then once you see that green, you're going to sit down and go, okay? Grab on those handles. Have fun.
Bye. Oh, I'm chasing Parker this time. I'll let him go first. My hat looks great. Beard is on point. Ah! Ah! Adjust. Ah! Almost turned backwards. Oh, here goes the big one. Ah! I may have just farted. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ah! Ah! And the pool! Ah! Rock and roll. I love these water parks, but man, is there a water park in America that doesn't have like miles upon miles of stairs? Let me know. I need to go there. Especially carrying 2 floats because Wheat Boy back there can't carry us up the stairs. I need an escalator, an elevator, something. Whew. Ah! Ah! I hear Nephew P in front of me! Ah! Oh! Oh, right in my face! Oh, it's so dark! Oh! Woo! Oh my goodness. I made it all the way out. I won. I got all the way to the float. I got all the way to the dock. All right. I think I can officially give my recommendation. If you're with a child of this size, let me get look at him. The red slopes are the way to go. He loved the slides that were up there. There's 3 up there you can do. There's 2 open, 1 enclosed. He liked them all. The closed better. I think you probably, would you say you like that almost as much as anything we've done the whole time we've been down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a hit. So
Stick.
go to the red slopes if you got somewhere in 6 to 10.
Big leaves.
Kind of judge for yourself. You know your kids better than me. I don't know why I'm giving people advice on children. This is the worst thing I've ever done on the channel. One last trip into the big pool, I think. Might go do the racers or something to wrap up with after this, but after a long delay, I think this ended up being a pretty fun day. Whoa, I thought you were drowning. Just chilling. Waiting on some waves. Who's that nerd back there? Goodbye! You're floating off to sea! Goodbye, Nephew P! No! Don't chase me down! Nephew P is going down. I beat you by 1 second! All right, so after my decimation of Nephew P in that last race, we're calling it a day here at Blizzard Beach. How much fun did you have today?
Really fun.
I had a blast. I have not...
Sail away.
I'm gonna sail away. I haven't been here in so long. I've been prioritizing going to the parks on my recent trips since I've been coming back lately. This was an absolute blast. If you have time, find a way to come over here. Even though we had like a 2.5, 3 hour delay where we couldn't do anything because of the weather, we got so much done in just like the 3-4 hours we had to actually be in the parks and doing stuff. Great day. This was a lot of fun. This might have been the most fun I had on this trip was here today because everything was a walk-on, because when we got here early, we were amongst the first in the park. And then after the rain, a lot of people left, so, you know, we didn't do the big ones. That's the one bad thing. Didn't even do Slush Gusher or Summit Plummet, because a little bit too small. And I couldn't really leave them alone while I went and did it. But everything else was essentially, you know, 10-15 minutes most of the wait. You're wet, you're cooled down, the rain helped things, so it wasn't like we were just standing in the hot beating sun while it was all happening. So, great day here. Don't know if you can even hear me over the waves, but I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Probably at least 1, maybe 2 vlogs left on this trip to come, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell to get all notifications. Go to Blizzard Beach. We had a blast today.
I'm not right now.
What?
I'm not having a blast right now.
He's struggling with these waves, but we had a blast for the rest of the day, so it is what it is. Bye. I may have made a mistake by entering the water today.